Uh, tell me the member lad, but my advice to North community, they young me jiram kel keke. Share it if you want it, leave it if you don't want it. So to ballad them, I heard some people kabikin etani and jako chicken be hurt. Chicken by the budget, but bitana bacon by the jet. Mangora ballad. You know, take a mecha call Arkana wala ramkel. Take guard daro to chijal kel. Tai jogo no an gara mona gara weona. Moha kona chogwangar. Mabo korbe to. So gara onjo a koro to go de majan ka agisis. Ta wane itene. A logo no chika bad math. Nyodo nika mother na jene bigin yin jita wale. Chikara wa chika nema yin majan agisis. Tedema yin. People go me na jien china ogwa mona gwangara. So gara me bad. You know, it's a bad guy, Mr. Odolud in the position, Mr. Gore, so he start fighting. Okay, well, my point is like this. Alakon me nankon South Sudan as an independent state to become one of the 54 ka Africa. Mena South Sudan ko be la one of 54 state ka Africa. Uchi kona ngaje no ide kora roi kora that. But we are wrong. Because shuchi kora da right. We are looking for somebody Ramadan from nowhere and come and save us. God called mutually Jesus to come and save us in our own nation. That's why Chika addicted, catch you the bull brown guy talking, but I'm not gonna abuse them. Chaka addicted that they are pastors, if they are preachers, coken they are hopeless, they have nowhere. You guys dream about somebody will come from nowhere, but South Sudan, you guys will help you out this way. But forget it. You are an independent state. Independent state mede lani nyinga korade. Go be mata kuko na lada kondor mechwa nuari we monchen mango teke na ite damare ni wiyual a PhD holder wale degree I don't know. But also ramkel muko fight in nuari ke chunkoro dir kwela gwini bwara dida mo nuari a chunkoro nuari mo de negro gari a chunkoro nuari ti amar chara rajamo. You guys think about it for a second. Even didn't we you all point the right. Think about it for a second. Ramu de negro and you want to make nuar iba cholo roll nuts. Come on, nuar point the negro on ni roll South Sudan. Kwa barka la gwe gare. Did that make sense? Michi kona chara. Na machara mu kwe sense kwe Jamaica. Iya nuari a chunga la roll nut. Kan nuar negro roll South Sudan. Think about it. Kon nuari she cursed mataka kon. Kachi kwinwane amataka kon. Kichi nganywane amataka kon. Kichi nyilbo amataka kon. Bataka kon gor kon rama dongmuda ben mada kon ban can go adanda content. We need somebody to save us. We con Jesus Christ and you con addicted we you con he will come and save us. Jacob Bram kel miti jo wala na la jo no know bukoda lel. Monokoda. God doesn't have anything. It's your choice. God doesn't have anything. Kota le muluge. It's your choice go be adultery be commit. It's your choice go bukwal. It's your choice go banana. God doesn't have anything. It's your choice. You have a free will of choice. Chuna yogi no, do you like it? Do you want it? Or do you need it? That's the point. Chuna yo ebe nuari dekatana. No, nuari dekatana. Con our own problem. Talokon mubarar Lloyd Dan pan teleje. tin mumbarar we done ka we do na many DJ a chips of registration of many reason thing. So michi northern bypass the michi de tiang ala rona ba the michi de tiang na katala duar because you collab in the middle so you will be a mentalist. Kan watu wan mi jinu gwi ke long li go gwi chara meta ke mental. Ko pa yen thogen aran kana right. Ko nu harikel melana la ne siang ka my live video. Mi kuji live video ne ka go back to my old videos. Nu harikel ka ra da nu me jo we ka live video ne. Che to ka yel ka gude yel ngwa mo ne yen goide. La jigi tiang ke like and followers like nothing. Ko didi yen pan kun you don't know your own self. People don't get your own self. When people hear about that, they're like, you know, it's funny. It's funny. Go quit Qatar na go again. Come on, with the tarumula gagi. Think about it. Mukwat Qatar Madadian is so funny. But Mukwat Qatar is not funny. Now you get upset. Now we're back. Let's go back to our point. Alako Nuare. Kakon failure generation. But chikon be chole failure generation iko jen bina tena now. We can't call it failure generation. Iko jen benuare be chiangano. Iko abagat konte woben ke second generation nirun and the third generation. Ibu kane chole nuare ke failure community. Kon nuare tale ke leader. That is the fact. No you know wala logi na mari na ida kon chiro chong. Eka kon kwar nuare. You guys are not leader. Take yen kwar nuare. Kayen chichwale kwar of myself. Leader of yourself. Kayen kwar gan kun. You want to make your children proud. You want to take your children to America. You want to take your children to the safety place. Ko kwar la boka so Sudan malare gad ka. Akananga go jeda dien ko junubu mumu we yeda. Chicken bele you are not a leader. You're just like them. Jiram kel kake. Ko kwara be ben ka so Sudan da na betare e gad junubu Sudan. Emwa koro yeda be liu. That is the really leader of that country. That is the really leader. We come up to did he reject you? You know what? Tell you. You don't have money in the office right now. Alakon, Nuare, we are a failure community. We are a community who fail to lead themselves. Community who fail to go forward. A community who need a savior like Jesus. A community who doesn't believe in themselves. That is the community we are. A community, we think that somebody, if it comes from nowhere, is much and more mature than us. Jana da ana gwe kon na shia. Ramabo weje to dien, ramabo no gwa to dien, kwa jang, kwa ngu, kendi alga dor Junuba Sudan gwe kon na miche go bere nuare is much mature. Go da nuare da ke lead. We don't see our own men. We don't see our own women. Or they cannot lead. We don't see it. Ko kondor michwan nuar, Lloyd and Chetianko mutual hatred. Lloyd and Chetianko guer kenyir kedar. Ko nuare kon mantuwidan. We don't believe in ourselves. You think that you can do much more better, but you need a savior. You think that you can change the world, but go to Ramade even look, your shadows go there, you couldn't light for you to change the world. But because you don't believe in yourself, because that's the reason today. What why you con a door to goal, condor mutual, go did the chico or a longer way. Come on, or longer way, and I'm a corner quan, we quam, and I'm no more right. Because a judge million of thousand times until we you. Makan gonna judge wrong, come on quit. Makan gonna quit. Come on a judge a la failure leader. That is who we are as people. We will never ever change. No matter how many thousand of Nuer people teaching about social media and talking about Nuer, I can audience get, I can take a guy Nuer today. ti de chung ke video de ka paret ba ko kula bar e gor ke kuare ke shot ke kuanga. Think about it. We kuar madala. It would turke. Let me make a public education school back and tini e bakula, for example, ke killers. Are you the president of South Sudan? Salva Kiir Mayardit himself, he never do that. Chana never talk. Chana never. But can I get your video baga executed? How many dinkas teach crime teach a lot? This guy by na barka juba me by check the kind of got a boyfriend chow check the bar. And we make a public executed by Barbano South Sudan TV. But no come mobile no chabub chabar. Garden were mula yen along the boara. Boara mu again kela day and niam retake in and wood. Let me show my own mans. Think about it, my people. Lloyd Dun a mumitatin, Lloyd Dur Michalan Nuer a mumitatin. A mumitakan Nuere. Machinura alone, let me go forward alone, a longer career. A damara cab, a tetka cobine pitke. A woman go reno Ibran Pitkora. Pian the Kel Janica. As a community Janica. Janica, o pin na kel ala dor mutual nuer, Janica, o pit con kel ala shur mutual nath, Janica. Koko nuere mutual hatreds, mutual nir, to grow inside of our heart, to take over our soul, to take over our thinking, to take over everything in our body. Do you know what is the most painful things we mourn many? Me feel killer of your uncle or killer of your brother alive and make him like a brother. Do you know Rama she neck a nugget jam one Rama bari kaje me pali neck gur kwa neck the more kwa nang ni more take a be Jacoba the more kujala logi a lojalian kel come wong yen. Do you know what I'm gonna take a question kill? Michida would talk. I'm gonna want to believe why this guy or this woman treating me that better. Why? That's the only question of Rama being Nakara. Question of why. But I tell you every day. Why? And what kind of because inside of him it's just like you. Take a mutual hatred. Inside of our people, let me take revenge. Let us take revenge to Dinkas, but Nebjani, is it the solution of the country which called South Sudan? Think about it. Is it the solution to make another war and fight? Is it the solution of that country? South Sudan is a failure state. And it's not a failure state because people of South Sudan have failed it. It's a failure of state because leader of South Sudan has failed the country. Do you know why? Because leader of South Sudan, they think of I, not we. And there is another that South Sudan. Ko leader in Junub Sudan, Roykeno Nan, Tika Royo Kon. Roykono Nan. Mua Benelakuar. Baga nanka Nairobi, baka nanka Australia, baka nanka ka UK, baka nanne ko baka safe. Batala ramur we ka South Sudan madala we moane we youth ka South Sudan. All these South Sudanese children, where will they go? Tala kwa mede chara no. Can the algor kano I bagad can angwaman Koko ndor muchuan nuar ta kon kerek a chang ramenge yen tiang ni ngwamani ate yen nyura kel keje muwa kwa nyala governor Arun kwa nyala minister from that night. But benala mutuale two face kwa different peoples. But benala one person mitaka identity of 10 or 5 point. Makana benela kwan gagaramo Come be the most selfish person. Come kind of be the most selfish person. But be humble. Meet you there about what is going on. Because that is the nature. Enter in Nuare. Ko Nuare jana didia chol me diak me diak. But Chanama rotate alone. Chan Turbil Chanama reversed. Like let's take it back to the reversed. Like chumi diangmar chol ka me diak. Chol me diak mugwa. Mari onbe. Like chol me diak mugwa for once and try. What will happen? Mugwa me diak chol ka mugwa. My people, why? Amubidora back, billion noir. Burona back, billion noir. Bichanga back, billion noir. Karakachka luga liala walia kwamel. Lugo chanuar bar chanu, luch chanuar bar chanu, luch chanuar bar chanu, luch. God, what is going on in our community? Think about it. When we to Rome, leader Nikki and Dial. A Rome point kien. Mitika na ngaji jine jil leader maybe Roman Empire be fail. Bekene execute it. Body guy do gang you point be neck. Do you know why? Because look at no be shame being a Roman community again. So Roman people will be work for other nations to cook in. Gorke no Rome point by shoulder baling. Roman leaders to more than 7 empires. Kings chicken neck. They can execute it. Do you know why? Because look at Roman by Chol as a failure state. Chicken go. They want Romans over strong empire. And many baby take down a wood down a Muhammad, the son of Muhammad the second. Allah Ottoman Empire. Many maybe Rome been destroyed. Empire are closest to Ruikete Jantin in that building. 27 or 21 legends. Chicken a try call my mama down to Constantinople, but take down quite book in a deck. But they fail. Because you know why? Chunkan we are Romans. A word war Midamaruai Nani Alguami made strong. A white can take a jet to Latka Pingame. A white chicken judge. Waramaruai Nanial Mugume. A word me take a jet to Latka Pingame. A white chicken judge. Point the general and yoga law jana and a cobi lingagoa. I like chien me take a chien mugua. Mingin your jolly. Kai chien me take chien mugua. A water machayang I can take a gag. Chayang I cake a gingery. Do you know why? Because of Shagadana teaching. Con Metocon go quote Nuara Mutok, Metawiquam. A young Nuara and a Luika Ropping. Sadam and Najate and Nuara to Luroping because they did a quarter. He is ready to handle any challenge, any threat will come to public to his people. But the question today, do we have the leader? The answer is Jare don't. Come a good corner, book or leader, Mitchell can a mobile corner lapping, take a topic, nothing mobile, but take a ballad. Turn a ballad at that topic, very soon ballad. Nantan go and Yagoba Junuba Sudan, qua would mutually in my chatting, qua who quote mutualis General Self-Care Mayal or any other leaders back with Sudan. I'm not ready for that. That I'm going to book with. Let them lead as they wish. Let them lead as they want. Allah again, I got the thing. Because South Sudan has become a failure state, not now. Since 2013. Since from day one even, may come wood me to Alekawai, may cook a boat, called Junuba Chungala, independent country, win more. UN. Jalamiti can night from day one. Oh, these black people can move away to Junuba Sudan. They will become a masters of slavery. Chaneka neck. Chaneka palo Canadian neck a carapun Canadian. Chaneka JK spies, maybe like South Sudan. And I will not mention who is the spies to work there for Sudan. to make sure that nation, let it be the failure state. I want them. And those are Katumas. Teacher, a government of Somali Sudan that you go and make it as a failure state. I cannot lead. Naiti Meshuna independent as South Sudan should become an independent nation. Naito Kanka Gwedian your Ejinu Sudan, a Derabana independent nation because chicken a girl and that wish. Kanati take a dream of first South Sudanese vice president and the first South Sudanese leader man to elect Dr. John Grant the Mabur. Nature take a dream, Dung John Grant. Kanati Jagala is spies go Bukula weak South Sudan. We can make sure this country let it be a failure state. Because can't go Guardian Kwa Wargadian can't go you are coming Chumna can mutual referendum. South Sudan must stand alone. Can't go your turn. Can't go your turn. Kakanate Kona Deginu Sudan and Tatan and a Kuma South Sudan because they are not ready for South Sudan to be an independent nation. They want South Sudan to go back to Arab. Our women, our children to become slave again. Kobuko wallet, Dorjalam, Richard Kamumut Kalet, Kenka Katumata, Katala Kwarjunu Sudan, Madam Mirakel Damar Panabaloid de Jalano, Manko Chiki Chuinu Walkalaka Motor, Choy, allow which that in a country, no matter affair. There's nothing fair in South Sudan or neither in our community. Because what is fair in our country, in our community, is killing somebody. It's killing your brother. It's killing your blood. That is the only thing Dorme Nuer or Junubu Sudan they are good at. Take a deal, Mr. Kamra, go and check it on YouTube. Mijira matake YouTube, Mario on, Mara time Lunanga. Bakulangaji Eling Ruani. Kode Kulangaji no Mete Kual Madab and Body Eling on there. Mara time Lunang, go DR, and then be Moki space, and then be go BANAT. DR Banat. Mario Goran Amon official. Alana Mono take a deal, Mr. Kamra Malawa. South Sudan, not just a name. South Sudan, not just a name. It presents our people. Junub Sudan ma isim sakit. Bigedemu ana wa inta. That is the song. Malawa, we are from South Sudan. South Sudan is our country. South Sudan, not just a name. It presents our people. We are from South Sudan. South Sudan is our country. South Sudan, not just a name. It presents our people. Anina kulu Junubin. Junub da maisim sakit. Bigedimu anawe inta. Ashana nina yal South Sudan. Anina kulu Junubin. Junub da maisim sakit. Bigedemu anawa inta. Ashana nina yal South Sudan. Kedi fekiru kwais. Kedi fekiru kwais. Stop child marriage. Ashan yal ta jinubin. Ikun all educated. Ashan belete maikunindu mashakil. Maikunindu mashakil nas mutu. Baba mutu. Mama mutu. We die in sickness. We die in hunger. Junub. You go and check that song out from YouTube and listen again and again, and you will know that we are not just a name. We are people. Thank you very much. Can I talk on a live video this year 10? Chill I did have along. These days, check about the longer live video. Even my audio until I about live till I good video ni long. You do the kind of thing that and to one check audio wood. I will try to make time again. Kobala back live video, and this time I can broadcast. Me banner right think a topic, different topic. So, chilai that need to go to live video that you go math. And I know those people to be a good in future.